कुछ ही दिन हुए थे, काफी अच्छा लग रहा था, सब ठीक जा रहा था, काफी वीडियोस बने। इनफैक्ट मैंने भी एक वीडियो बनाया, लेकिन सबने एक्सपेक्ट कर ही लिया दैट वेरी सून देयर विल कम अ ऐप व्हिच विल रिप्लेस द स्पेस ऑफ टिकटॉक। लेकिन किसी ने ये एक्सपेक्ट नहीं किया था कि वो ऐप इंस्टाग्राम होगा। यस, इट इज ट्रू, इंस्टाग्राम हैज कम अप विद अ न्यू ऑप्शन कॉल्ड रील्स, बाय द वे, व्हिच इज रियली अ वेरी गुड नेम, रील्स। फॉर द पीपल वर्किंग इन मीडिया, वीडियो और मूवी मेकिंग इंडस्ट्रीज, they know what reels actually mean to them. But this isn't the first time Instagram has done something like this. Exactly some months ago, Instagram released its reel feature in Brazil, then later on in Germany and followed by France. You can clearly say that maybe वो एक testing phase था. And now this feature has made it to India. Facebook owned Instagram has been doing such things for a while now. For that matter, this has happened earlier when Instagram copied the Snapchat story feature and added to its Facebook and Instagram and now to WhatsApp as well. So it not really is a surprise. And kinda we were expecting this to happen. But Instagram would be that platform was never in the syllabus. Reel feature on Instagram could be used in tremendous ways. Epic storytelling, amazing picturization, and all the stuff in that direction by all the creators and influencers, of course on Instagram. But there is clearly a very big problem with this feature on Instagram, especially in India. This feature of Instagram now lays in the shadows of TikTok. And you know who would come here to use this feature. Maybe the timing of releasing this feature in India was wrong, or maybe that's the perfect timing which they were waiting for. Or maybe they always wanted to get on this space and the timing could not be any better. But now the real problem comes. At first the people on Instagram were very much confused with what was happening. Later on when they could understand it, it was a hard part for any Instagram user to digest it. There was suddenly a new feature which was completely bombarded on them and had symptoms like TikTok. And there it was. The official TikTok version of Reel was live on Instagram. Now there are some people who will take it as an advantage, and on the other hand some people may choose to hate it and hate it so much that they may choose to leave the platform. Yes, this has happened before and it can happen again. There has been cases where creators switched platforms for better involvement, better engagement, and of course better content. And creators have changed platform years in and years out. There were some people who chose Instagram instead of YouTube. There were some YouTubers who chose TikTok over YouTube. So it's been going on. A platform's image and branding is all done by the creators on that platform. In this case of Instagram, a lot of users which were already there on this platform, a lot, trust me, a lot, are already hating this option of Reels because of the TikTok migrated people making the same content which they made on TikTok on this platform now. People now have thoughts like, यार अब तो ऐसा लग रहा है कि Instagram पर आना छोड़ दूं. Will this feature change the Instagram's branding? Remember one thing, TikTok globally was becoming a big hit. It was only in India that we hated so much. Also, Instagram has created a different discovery section for all its features. But the question still poses, was it a right decision by Instagram? You can now see a sudden spike, increase of numbers of users on Instagram because of this feature, especially by the TikTok migrated crowd. May be good for Instagram. They may get new users, but what about the users that are already there on Instagram? Will they choose to leave the platform? Will you choose to leave a platform? Is it time for them to leave? Now it's time. Tell us your views in the comment section. What is your perspective on Reels as a feature, and how much you would hate to see the TikTok people doing the TikTok thing, but now on Instagram? Don't forget to hit the like button on the video, subscribe to this channel, share this video with all your Instagram mates. Till then, I will see you soon with a new video. Guess where? On YouTube.